Yo, YouTube, what's going? It's your boy Ike Got Motion, man. I'm here with the first video, man, the POV for the Infinity Q50. Got my boy chasing this bit with me. Can't even see that boy. Y'all subscribe, y'all go check that boy out. Chase 1K, man. That boy going up. They been telling me get on YouTube, so here we go. First job, first video. See what we get into real quick. I'm gonna put that in the sport. Y'all see that right there, alright? Man, hit that bit real quick. At 100 already?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this bitch too fat.
Too fat, 120 already. Tell you, this bitch gonna put you down, man. Know what I'm saying? Yeah, hear me. That's what you doing, baby. This bitch pulling for sure. Know what I'm saying? Hey, we 3-0, ain't it?
Y'all, hello.
We 3-0 with the race.
Power.
What are you talking about? Yeah. Little Hemi tried me one day, took his ass for that ride.
Took his ass for that J.
And that crossed 300. Yeah. Took him for that ride.
Oh yeah.
What are you talking about? 3-0.
Oh yeah. 3-0.
You know what I'm saying? I would say out of outside of the car right now, but you know, it's dark out here and shit. Can't see nothing right now. But we gonna get y'all right for sure. Got to.
You doing vloggers, man?
I don't know. Let me know. Y'all think I should do vlogs? Hold on, what they say? Oh, no. Clear that.
Later, hater.
Vlogmas. I ain't never thought about that. I might.
Vloggers with the car shit is crazy.
That's gonna be crazy. First mod coming real soon, bro. Real soon. I'm finna have the hardest Q50 in the city. Mark my word. One of y'all clip this. I'm telling y'all. Hardest Q50 in the city. On my mama. Twin, you already know what I'm doing, ain't it?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. I already know.
I gotta put it. Yeah.
Hey, let's do it. This bitch gonna be the Dark Knight, boy. That's a fine name. Yeah. That's gonna be the name of it, and I'll finish. Dark Knight. Yes. I'm telling you. That might get a little guess of what I'm doing, but you know.
Darker than night.
So we're gonna keep that confidential right now, though.
Darker than night. I bet I fight.
Bet I fight without my mic. Here you talking about, man?
Fight. Hell is
We on the way to we finna link up with the bros, know what I'm saying?
Bro.
My boy just got the net tag. My homeboy just got the net tag, you feel me? He done hit the net.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I done hit the net, bro.
Turn the light on.
Oh shit. Yeah, I done hit the net. I can't even show that motherfucker.
Yeah, that be. I know that be biting, twin.
Oh God. Well, hey, what the hell shit is? I ain't got no. I got a girlfriend.
Yeah. You locked in, ain't it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we locked in for sure. Oh shit. Whoa. Can't even do nothing. Damn. Can't even do nothing. Right, can't even cut up. Can't even. Uh-oh.
Don't get over Mr. Jackson. You got it out, Mr. Jackson. Oh.
Woo, right through there. We out of there. Yeah. This bitch gonna get up first, so. Red light.
Good ass brakes.
Good ass brakes. I'm thinking something. By the way, sponsor me. Hell is you doing, nigga? This bitch gonna move for sure. Oh, whoa. We're gonna slow that all the way down.
They're not get ready to spot.
We ain't fucking with them guys. They got it.
We ain't fucking with them guys.
We fucking with them. Not right now though. I ain't know no hot shit.
I don't think that's 12.
That's not 12. That's a. I don't know. We ain't gonna speed, but you do whatever you want, sir.
God, sir.
I don't want no problems, OG.
Just saying it's a crock.
Puss ass.
No, I did not say that. Right through that little. Like
yep. Lickety split.
Lickety shit of the goddamn split.
Whole gang finna be up real soon. Whole gang getting YouTube started, man. We got some more people coming.
Oh yeah.
Whole bunch of lit content.
Yeah, slow ass shit smoking.
Slow ass challenging. Slow ass challenging, man.
What?
Hold on.
Oh, that bitch was spitting, Jay. Oh God.
Bitch gonna get loose now. Don't get it fucked up.
Did a track out by the way.
Might as well be. The new tires too. You know that bitch gonna stick. That bitch talking some low temperature outside, like that, like we don't know that shit. Like
it cold as.
Like be for real now.
It's cold as a shit we eat.
This man's stupid. Slowpoke! Catch up!
That ass.
Yes, sir. Hey, let me know. Hey, y'all fuck with this video, let me know. I'm gonna do one in the daytime with the whole gang.
Oh, yeah.
Whole gang got their whips. Yes. Show y'all how we cut up, man. We go stupid. Bonkers.
We go dumb.
Crazy. You already know how we get.
Stupid crumble jack cheese, smelling baked beans, smelling that.
You said what's man?
Crumble cheese, baked bean having ass.
Smell.
I be on the fuckery.
On the bullshit.
My name Baby Loaded.
You said baby what?
Baby Loaded.
Let him know, twin.
I be loaded and shit. I be loaded.
Hell no, we ain't gonna speed through here. 12 be waiting over here. Right at that gas station up there. On God. On Gizzard. Oh, you tripping,
shit.
twin. On my life, you tripping.
Oh, I hate no dumb ass.
Oh, God. You tripping bad.
I thought that was a Mustang.
Nah. If you got a Mustang, I ain't gonna dish you. I ain't gonna dish you. I ain't gonna count they slow. They're not slow. I mean, me personally though, get something that look a little bit more stylish. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Feel me?
Two, though, I'm going to get a GTR.
A GTR, son, a Camaro from an SS, son, at least.
Yeah. Alright, I go get an SS.
Yeah, SS.
I go get an SS tomorrow.
Everybody in the gang gotta have something different. You said tomorrow, twin?
I go get one tomorrow.
Ooh.
Hey, you know what? Hey, tune in Saturday. I'm gonna go get me one. I swear to God, I'm gonna get one.
Yes, sir.
And I'm gonna go POV driving that bitch.
Y'all heard it here first. Y'all heard it here first. Y'all heard what the man said. Gave y'all a little sneak peek of what the plans
Fuck
is.
that. And look, when y'all see taking delivery of my brand new car, I gotta say congratulations.
Mr.
I did it, pain.
Made it happen for sure.
For sure. Can I get to the yams? And we not talking about those sweet real yams. We talking about that Monday.
That Munyon. That's all we get right here. We don't even.
Man, that was Freddie Walker talking about. Can I get to the yams?
You want to talk about no food, bitch.
Sweet yams. Oh yeah. Oh no, he wasn't talking about no food.
He got bills to pay, nigga.
Oh yeah.
I don't do bills though. We don't do that. No. Pay 14 bones for this bad boy. 14,000. Straight in cash. He said 14 bands. All right, bet I'll be back. I don't do payments.
That's how we got it, but we did.
Oh God. Don't know how I did it, but I made it happen. No vow.
I was never trapping. I just made it happen. For shit talk.
It's a shit show, boy.
We're going out here to the goddamn.
We're going out to the country, boy. The cotton field, boy. God damn.
Where our ancestors used to be.
Great Auntie Mary, boy.
I hope I ain't have no auntie back then.
Okay, let's do it.
That motherfucker pulling by the way.
By the way, pull in. Let's do it. Y'all see that?
Shit.
Yeah.
Holy fat.
You better not get over. What the fuck you doing? Get in the
What the
lane.
fuck you doing, stupid bitch?
Ain't it? Oh, tweaking.
Oh, she got that motherfucker though.
I want smoke. Fuck, nigga. Fuck you talking about? Bring your ass up here. You think they don't want no smoke?
I don't know.
Auntie chilling. My fault, Camaro owners. I'm finna turn up on y'all ass for no reason.
Yeah, fuck for it though.
Oh shit. I ain't see that boy at that mailbox.
What?
There was a nigga at that mailbox right there. Got
Boy,
close to fuck.
get his ass baked
Got close.
bean.
We just got close. I ain't even gonna lie. I ain't know he was right though.
Big B, we gonna shoot your ass to pieces.
Bing bong, bitch. What you talking about?
We gonna beat your ass. Fucking Swiss cheese.
Let me know what other videos y'all want to see from the kid, man. I'm trying to go stupid on the YouTube shit, man. We trying to run it up. Me and 1K. We trying to go dumb.
I don't care. If y'all want to see us in some power, nigga. Y'all want to see us in some pussy got power. I see. Look, that's what people think, bro. Like niggas really be scared of Hellcat. I ain't never been scared of no pussy. I ain't gonna count.
Oh yeah.
I ain't never been scared of no pussy.
No.
God damn. Good ass motherfucking brakes.
Good ass brakes.
Oh no.
What you were saying though?
I'm saying I ain't never been scared of no pussy. Like
Yeah.
them cats ain't none.
Them cats. Oh, pussy ass niggas. No, we ain't worried.
Yeah, I walk that bitch down. I had that whole.
Not right now though. Not right now, but you know, eventually. Give me 2 months.
Like us in it.
Oh hell yeah.
Yeah, I ain't never been scared of no pussy.
No, we gonna cut up. All right, know how we get, twin.
Shit, so.
Oh, turn on these bright lights. It's dark as fuck. Told y'all they got me coming out here to the country, man. The country.
You can't see a full of shit, baby.
Can't see nothing. got good cameras though, so y'all should be able to see a little something.
Oh yeah, and don't ask me why I got that mask on all the time, cause they be like really protect my hair from the outdoors and my ears.
Gotta stay safe.
Yup.
You don't know what these people got.
Nope. I wear gloves all the time and everything.
People coughing in your face, all that. No, we don't play that, boy.
Back the fuck up, stank ass.
Stank ass cracker.
Bro, you gonna get demonetized like that, cussing like a hell.
Man, I'll be alright.
Yeah, you'll be alright, man. First video.
First video.
This bitch finna go, okay?
Look left.
Here we go, left.
Look right. Here we go. What?
Straight, go straight, Trey. Go straight. Go.
Oh, let's do it.
Bang! Oh, shit.
Whoa. Let's do it then. Let's do it. Y'all hear that bit? That bit screaming, boy. Yeah. Let's get going then. Let's get going. Slow down. Turn coming though.
Oh! Oh, shit. That scared me.
What you got scared for?
Boom! Boom! Shakalaka. Oh,
yeah.
Shoot that bitch.
We at the spot, man. The spizz out.
Is wrong here? I can't see that far.
I think the whole gang at this bit.
Oh, yeah. Get to the gate.
Yes, sir. Made it to the destination. Y'all can't even see it.
Oh,
there y'all go. Now y'all can see the lights. Made it to the destination.
It's a party. It's a party. It's a party. They don't
Look at that. You see charges all in the yard. Got challenges. Tell you, the whole gang going up real soon.
Yeah, y'all just see my hit me over there.
Yeah. What that is? Oh, okay. Two of them bad boys right now, right side by side.
Hey, okay, he beat my hand. He's alright.
But anyways, though, man.
Bro. He beat my hand because I got a challenger, bro.
Yeah, challenger.
Here's the thing, though. He can't slide and glide, because go ahead. If you ain't spinning, you ain't winning.
You ain't winning.
And I ain't
yes, sir. Walk down gang. Let them know. But anyways, man, you know what I'm saying, man? That's the first video.
Go peep my whip, twin.
Oh, yeah, we got to. Oh, yeah, you right, twin. You right. Let me get out this bit real quick. Oh, you see that? You see that? Oh, yeah. Yeah, you got the one that do that. For real, for sure. Shit.
Hey, look, don't tell nobody this my cop. Like,
keep it low key.
I'm saying, yeah, this my low key. Like, if a female.
Oh, what that say? Oh, what that say? What that say? Oh, yes, sir. Y'all see that? Oh, y'all don't know what that is. I got something for you right here. Oh, yeah, you see that?
But, yeah,
sure.
I mean, like, put the camera back on me, twin. I ain't gonna cut you down. Like,
put it away.
It's an RT. He beat me because we was doing out the line, so you know.
Oh yeah, tight.
But I was finna walk his ass straight down, you know, Billy Jean day. But yeah, like I don't plan on keeping this for long.
Yeah, right side by side.
Hey, okay, he beat my hand. We alright.
But anyways, though, man.
So what? He beat my hand because I got a challenger, bro.
Yeah, challenger.
Here's the thing, though. He can't slide and glide, cause go ahead. If you ain't spinning, you ain't winning.
You ain't winning.
And I ain't
yes, sir. Walk down gang. Let them know. But anyways, man, you know what I'm saying, man. That's the first video.
Go peep my whip, twin.
Oh yeah, we got to. Oh yeah, you right, twin. You right. Let me get out this bit real quick. Oh, you see that? You see that? Oh yeah. Yeah, you got the one that do that. For real, for sure. Shit.
Hey, look, don't tell nobody this my cop. Like,
keep it low key.
I'm saying, yeah, this my low key. Like if a female.
Oh, what that say? Oh, what that say? What that say?
What that say?
Oh yes, sir. Y'all see that? Oh, y'all don't know what that is. I got something for you right here. Oh yeah, you see that?
But yeah,
sure.
I mean, like put the camera back on me, twin. I ain't gonna cut you down. Like,
put it away.
It's an RT. He beat me because we was doing out the line, so you know.
Oh yeah, tight.
But I was finna walk his ass straight down, you know, Billy Jean day. But yeah, like I don't plan on keeping this for long.
Yeah.
This is like my little furry whip. If somebody find out I got this bitch, yo, can I get a ride?
Nope. Only gang.
Okay. So goddamn, I'm gonna get. I ain't even gonna trade this. I'm gonna keep this bit, and I'm gonna get a Camaro Saturday.
Sell that bit.
Yeah. I ain't even do a POV drive. That's how low key that car is. And then like once I go by the Camaro Saturday, I'm gonna do a video.
For
y'all
sure.
Go subscribe to my, you know,
Chase 1K.
Yeah. Oh, I ain't gonna count. I'm finna turn these niggas up. I'm finna turn my niggas up.
No doubt.
We all finna turn together.
You can hit them, but I don't know if y'all hear them niggas. That's that shit. But anyway, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna wrap this video up real quick. It's the Q50, man.
3.7.
Feel me? The 3.7. Yeah.
So if you come out of the hood, it's an inline 6. It's very fast. It's the top of the line market.
Yes.
V6.
Let them know.
Top of the line.
Talk to them.
You know what I'm saying? The best motherfucking in the motherfucking best, nigga.
Yeah.
And
best
what
in the world,
What I'm
Craig.
gonna say about this right here? Let me say about this right here, P.
Talk to him.
Female sit on something like this, P. I'm saying, go what we gonna do? How I ain't got no money to sit there on it.
What you talking about? Yo, let them know.
So look, do what I'm saying. I'm finna give y'all a sneak peek. I'm finna show y'all everything that's finna get changed. D finna get changed. D finna get changed.
Let me.
D finna get changed. D finna get changed. D finna get
You see that? Yeah.
Yeah.
Finna get them changed.
They finna go. This bitch finna be
the Dark Knight.
The
Yes.
red Infinity.
Yes. Best Infinity. Yes, best.
No, you know what? That bitch called a fin.
The fin. Hell, you talking about? Yeah, I like that. Fin.
We might go.
Yeah, or we might, you know what I'm saying? You feel me?
We might go in the army with them motherfuckers, you feel me?
Yeah.
You don't know now, you know.
Take it to the battlefield real quick.
You don't know now, you know. Might take your hoe, cause we getting a 5% tint on the front wheel shit, you feel me? Yeah, what you doing? Feel me? We gonna change up the rims. My nigga gonna get a new exhaust on that bitch.
Had that bitch screaming.
Yeah.
You gonna hear me coming.
We going 5-inch chip. I think like 1.5 inch spacer.
Yep.
3-inch drop coilovers with some rims on that bad boy. You feel me? And they brand new, by the way. You
Talk
feel
to
me? We changing this right here. We changing this right here to
Skyline.
Oh yeah, and we getting a wing on that bad boy. You feel me?
Carbon fiber gonna be in that bit too for shitty.
Oh yeah, we getting another we getting a brand new rear diffuser. If y'all can't see,
I can't see right now. They can't. Hold up.
They can't see.
It's gonna be right here.
Oh yeah.
Right here.
And it's gonna be a light on that motherfucker.
I ain't telling y'all to rap yet though.
Yeah.
I ain't telling y'all to rap.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
What the fuck is that?
We finna get this changed too. Oh shit, hold up.
Oh yeah.
Finna get this changed. Have my own little logo right there.
Yeah, so
God, yes.
yeah. Like interior finna got hell, oh yeah.
Let me get my drink actually. Let me get my drink.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Alright.
Drop the camera.
But anyways, yeah. Gonna wrap up this video for y'all boys, man.
Oh, let's show them twin little neck tag. You know what? We're gonna end this video. This is my nigga video. I ain't even finna tell them how to control this shit.
We out, Vic. Let's go.